Okay, so you meet me back out here at the field on what is quite a chilly morning here in the UK, so forgive me if I sound like I'm a little bit cold, but this is the RATE S30. We're going to fly it initially yesterday on the old tune on just race mode, then I'm going to apply the new tune, then I'm going to fly it on race mode, then I'm going to fly it in normal sort of cinematic 04 Pro mode. We're going to listen for any sort of issues that we can hear. We're going to see what the motor temperatures are once we've finished, and we're going to find out whether or not this custom tune that I've applied to it, or that I will apply to it, is any better than the original. Will it help with the prop wash? Who knows? Let's find out. Let's freaking go. Okay, so this is our Seeker flight with the RATE S30. It's not a flight of the Seeker. And what we're going to do is we are just going to rip it in race mode like this, and we are going to see how much prop wash we can induce, how many problems we can find with this before... Oh, that's also another problem. Yeah. Before we then take it back to the bench and apply my custom tune and see if we can improve it or not. So this is the flight to see how much we can improve it by. We're getting a little bit of prop wash there. We got it on the initial bit over the tree as well, a little bit there as well. Yep. I'm fairly confident we can probably tune most of this out.
You want to dive through the tree again? Or
oh, definitely.
Go for it. Got my running shoes on.
Have you got your running shoes on? You should do, because I just hit the tree then.
I know, I heard it.
Oh, I can't find the hole.
I really want to do it.
Oh,
That was nearly the tree, but okay.
That was very nearly the tree. I'm sure this has grown since yesterday. Oh, it's there. Okay, all right, okay.
You hear those vibrations. Vibrations. Again, very nearly the tree.
Very nearly the tree. I was trying to... Oh, also very nearly the tree.
Yeah, I feel like every time you dive through it, bro, I feel like you can get stuck.
So do I.
I'm not going to say where, but I think the viewers already know.
I'm sure that this tree's grown since yesterday.
It looks
There's one of them. I've done one of them, but... Was it from the other side? No, it's from this side.
Nice.
Thank you, bro.
Transmitter battery low.
Even though sometimes trees are annoying, it's just so fun to tease them.
It really is. But he's going to get his revenge. They always do.
Transmitter battery low.
Like you did with the 5-inch when you flew straight into it doing nothing.
Yeah.
And the bar people went like, what? Bro.
Transmitter battery low.
Okay. I think I've abused the battery enough. I'm going to come back and land. 2 minutes and 45 seconds.
Abusing the tree and back.
Okay, so this is the new tune on the RATE S30 Pro. And we're going to first of all fly it in race mode. Then we're going to come back, change the settings, and we'll fly it in a little bit more cinematic mode. But we're just going to see. It is unfortunately not as nice of a day today as it was yesterday, which is a real shame. But welcome to the UK. Okay, we'll try not to crash it this time. No promises though. I may have hurt that battery a little bit. Definitely hurt its feelings. The tune is better. There is less prop wash, especially when you try and induce it like that. It feels more locked. As I said, there isn't a lot wrong with this drone for the price, but if we can just improve a couple of things, that'd be grand. Now I have, I think, murdered this battery looking at it, so it may not be the best end to the test. However, I can say that there is such little prop wash in comparison to where it was before. I'm really, really happy with it. I'm not going up and round the tree because the battery is just hanging on. In fact, let's do it. Yeah. Okay, so that was the test then of the RATE S30 with the new tune. What I can say is I need to stop crashing, but also what I need to say is that the tune is a lot better. I thought I heard oscillations, but I'm not 100% convinced. So what I'll do is I will knock the filters down by 1 or by 0.1 for you guys, just to be on the safe side. But the motors were cool. It was smooth, it was responsive, it felt more locked in, and more importantly, it had a lot less prop wash than it did on the original tune. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on the screen now, but I'm also going to upload a diff-all to my Discord, so you can go in, you can grab the CLI and you can just apply it if that's what you want to do. Just bear in mind, if you do that, it will also apply my rates, so bear that in mind as well. But yeah, it is definitely a lot closer to the Seeker 3 now. But obviously it's still a lot cheaper. It's not perfect because you've still got to add an 04 yourself, and I think I had to add an RX myself as well. I can't quite remember, but it's certainly brilliant for the bargain that it is. Got any questions, drop them in the comments down below. Please like, hype, share this video, and I'll catch you all in the next one. YouTube and I have had a chat, and we believe that this is the video that you'll like the most, so watch it and let me know if they're right.